The new Holland CR11 is a high-performance combine harvester equipped with a powerful 1.5-liter FPT Cursor 16 engine, delivering up to 775 horsepower. It boasts a 20,000-liter grain tank capacity and a rapid unloading rate of 210 liters per second, featuring a cutting width of up to 60 feet. The CR11 incorporates twin-rotor threshing technology with twin pitch plus rotors and a twin cleaning system for efficient grain separation. The combine utilizes a continuously variable transmission for optimal speed and efficiency, while the spacious and comfortable cab enhances operator comfort and productivity. New Holland CR11 is a high-performance combine harvester designed for large-scale farming operations. The Claas Trion 650 is a combine harvester equipped with a powerful 260 kW Cummins engine, delivering ample power for efficient harvesting. It features a 10,500-liter grain tank and a 6.17-meter cutting width, enabling high throughput and efficient field coverage. The Trion 650 incorporates advanced threshing technology with 6 walkers for optimal grain separation and minimal losses. The combine utilizes a continuously variable transmission for smooth and efficient operation, while the comfortable cab enhances operator comfort and productivity during long harvesting days. The Claas Trion 650 is a combine harvester designed for efficient and reliable grain harvesting with its powerful engine, spacious grain tank. The John Deere S7 combines are high-performance machines designed for efficient and productive grain harvesting, equipped with powerful engines, such as the John Deere PowerTech 13.6-liter in the S7 900 model. These combines deliver the necessary power to handle demanding harvesting conditions. Advanced threshing and separating systems ensure efficient grain extraction, while a large grain tank capacity and high unloading rates minimize downtime. The spacious and comfortable cab enhances operator productivity, making the S7 series a reliable choice for large-scale farming operations. The S7 series combines incorporate advanced technologies like harvest motion and harvest intelligent power management to optimize fuel efficiency. These features, combined with the robust build and user-friendly interface. The Nexat system revolutionizes harvesting with its unique combination of a powerful tractor dot and the specialized Nexco harvesting module. The Nexco boasts a 50-foot cutting width and an impressive throughput capacity of up to 3,000 bushels per acre. Its innovative threshing system, coupled with a large grain tank and rapid unloading rate, ensures efficient grain separation and minimal downtime. The tractor, equipped with 2 independent diesel engines exceeding 1,100 horsepower and electric drives for each track, provides the necessary power and maneuverability to support the demands of the Nexco module. This powerful combination delivers unprecedented throughput, minimizes grain losses, and reduces soil compaction. The Fendt Ideal 7T and 8T are high-performance combine harvesters designed for exceptional throughput and efficiency. Powered by robust AGCO power engines, the Ideal 7T delivers 451 horsepower, while the Ideal 8T boasts an impressive 543 horsepower. These combines feature a spacious grain tank with a standard capacity of 12,500 liters, expandable to 17,100 liters, and a rapid unloading rate of 150 liters per second. The Ideal 7T incorporates a single helix processor, while the Ideal 8T utilizes a dual helix processor for increased throughput. Both models feature a continuously variable transmission for smooth and efficient operation, and a comfortable vision cab with excellent visibility and operator controls. The Oxbo 2475 is a versatile and powerful, self-propelled harvester, typically powered by a high horsepower John Deere PowerTech 9.0L diesel engine, delivering approximately 275 horsepower, equipped with 4-wheel drive and articulated steering. It offers excellent maneuverability in the field. The 2475 boasts a large dump box with a capacity of around 530 cubic feet and a lifting capacity of 14,000 pounds. It features a compact design with dimensions of 30 feet 2 inches in length, 11 feet 3 inches in width, and 13 feet 1 inch in height, with a wheelbase of 13 feet 8 inches and an inside turning radius of 12 feet 9 inches. The 2475 ensures efficient operation in various field conditions. The Claas IH AF11 is a high-performance combine harvester designed for large-scale farming operations. It boasts a powerful 775 horsepower, 16-liter diesel engine, providing ample power to handle demanding harvesting conditions. The AF11 features a 567 bushel grain tank and a rapid unloading rate of 6 bushels per second, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The advanced dual-rotor AFX L2 threshing system ensures efficient and effective grain separation, while the spacious and comfortable cab offers an advanced operator environment with cutting-edge technology features. The AF11 is designed to maximize productivity with features like AFS Harvest Command, which automates key harvesting functions